Hey everyone, welcome. You have put time, effort, and budget into your website, but is it truly working for you? Are visitors leaving without taking action? Are you struggling to retain customers? Here's a fact. 65% of customers leave a business after just one bad experience. That means lost sales, missed opportunities, and lower growth. The problem? Static websites no longer work. They do not engage, they do not convert, and they do not evolve with your business. But there's good news. In this short video, you will learn why static websites fail, how AI can transform customer engagement, how to upgrade your website without rebuilding it.
Hello, I am B from WebAI Engine. Your website should work for you, not the other way around. Let me show you how AI can transform the way you engage with customers online. I am not just another chatbot. I am an AI-powered assistant that engages visitors, automates workflows, and personalizes customer experiences 24/7. With me, your website becomes an interactive, AI-driven platform that keeps visitors engaged, answers their questions instantly, and helps turn them into loyal customers. You can even experience a smart website and ask me questions directly at WebAI.com. No more missed leads, no more outdated static content. With WebAI Engine, your website learns, adapts, and grows, just like your business. That means higher engagement, more conversions, and less effort for you. Think adding AI is complicated? Not with me. You can install me for free on your existing website, no rework required. It only takes a few minutes to set up, and I will start working for you instantly.
Why settle for an ordinary website when you can have one that thinks, interacts, and converts? It is time to take your website to the next level. AI is no longer just for big corporations. It is now available to everyone, and everyone can benefit from the power of AI. Try B for free today and see the difference AI can make. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest AI business strategies.
Before you go, here's a question. What's the one thing you wish your website could do better? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to help. Let's build something smarter, together. Thank you for watching and see you soon.